Hello everyone, welcome to our first online class for bilingual program, and I would like you to first of all say, how are you? Good afternoon, how are you? Let's try to always answer what I ask, because then you'll be practicing a regular and common dialogue. So let's practice. How are you? And then you say, oh, I'm fine, teacher, thanks. Or, oh, I'm not feeling so well. Or maybe, oh, I'm a little concerned about that coronavirus, right? It's okay, but we must go on. Let's do this now. I would like to all of you open your book, student's book, on page number 28, because we need to continue what we started last class, right? And then what I've got here is number 6. We started to do this one. In this page here we have a bubble speech. Yes, a bubble speech says, let's read with me. Lisa would like milk and cake. Yes, and we have many lines here. They are already drawn here. And then the next one is David. What I would like you to do is to do the same as this speech bubble. So David, this line goes to Joyce, chicken and egg. So how is it, the bubble, the speech bubble? Oh, David would like, we are practicing would like. So you always have to say would like. David would like Joyce, chicken and eggs. Egg, one egg, right? Now the next one will be Polly and Julie. Polly and Julie. What's going on here? So I want you to do those speech bubbles with all of the kids, right? You need to write on your book here. You create many speech bubbles here, saying which food each kid's going to have, right? So always you need to start with their names and then would like and then the food they're gonna eat. Right, now let's go to the next one, which is, let's read together. Number 7. Look at the picture. Create a dialogue with sentences from activity 5. So let's remember activity 5, which is on page 27. And now we can see there. These are the sentences. So you have to look at this table here. And you need to use these phrases and these kinds of food, right? So I'll give an example for you. Let's say, would you like more salad? Well, do we have salad here? No, we don't have any salad. So the dialogue will begin with oh, would you like more bread? Can be this one. And then the second one, can you pass me chicken, please? We don't have any chicken here, right? So this phrase here, how can it be? You're going just to change these kinds of food and put these kinds of foods here, right? What do we got here? Do you know? Each one of them. This is, what is it? Bananas, grapes, pineapple, and eggs, cake, a chocolate cake. Isn't it delicious? Yes, it is. And we've got some, I think it's juice here and milk. What else do we've got here? Some mango maybe? I think so. So you need to create a dialogue here. Just using this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences, right? And then you change only the type of foods that we have here. You're going to change. This sentence will be still the same. You're just going to change the kind of food, right? So it's a very simple task you need to do here, right? If you have any doubts, you can call me on WhatsApp and I'll explain to you if you didn't understand. Now I'll give you maybe, let's say, 5 minutes to do it and 10 minutes to do this one. Yes, I think it's enough, right? Then there you go, do it, and then we have to continue our class. Right, we're going to correct that number, what is it? It's number 6 and 7 by the end of the class. And now we'll talk about some phrases, some questions. I want you to remember about would like. Yes, we were studying about would like in last class. And when I ask you if you would like pumpkin for lunch, how do you answer that? Would you like pumpkin for lunch? For lunch? Yes or no? Then you say, oh yes, please. Or you say, no, thank you. No, thanks. Because it means that I am offering you. I am offering you. Would you like pumpkin for lunch? Right? And then if you want, you say, yes, please. And if you don't want, then you say, no, thanks. Now, I want you to notice the difference between would like and like. Now, I'll do another question. Do you like pumpkin? Do you like pumpkin? So I'm not offering you. No, I'm not offering. I am asking if you like or if you don't like, right? So how do you answer this question? Do you like pumpkin? Then you say, yes, I do. Or, no, I don't. Right? Let's practice. I want you to practice. I like courgette. Do you like salad? Do you like pear? Do you like coconut? How is it the answer? Do you remember? Yes, I do. No, I don't. And when I ask you, would you like pineapple? I am offering. So you say, yes, please, or no, thank you. Let's always remember about that difference, right? Because when I tell you, would you like, I am offering. And if I say, do you like, it's about likes and dislikes, right? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Would you like? Yes, please. No, thank you. Right, so let's say that you know how to answer when I ask you, do you like meat? So you say, yes, I do. No, I don't. But when I ask that for a friend of yours, so let's say, João likes meat. And then I ask you, does João likes meat? How's your answer? Yes, he does. Or no, he doesn't. Yeah? And then let's talk about Joana. Joana likes meat. How do you answer? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Yes, those are possible answers for these questions. Now we are talking about other people. We are talking about our friends. We are talking about mom, dad, brother, sister, right? We're talking about someone. So if I ask, let's say that does Maria likes chips? This is an answer. I'm not asking if they want. And if I was offering to them, then it would be, does Maria would like chips? Then I'm offering, right? And then you would say, yes, she would like. Yes, she does, please. Yes, please. No, please. No, thank you, right? Yes, she does, please. No, she doesn't, thank you. Right? So that's what's going to change when we're talking about boys and girls. Yes, yes, he does. No, he doesn't. We talk about like, right? And yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Like. I'm not offering, right? You're not wanting anything. It's another thing for you to practice, right? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't like. Yes, he does. No, he doesn't like. So when I talk about meal, and you know that's breakfast, lunch, and dinner, there are a few things that you should know, like this. What you usually have for breakfast? What is common for you to eat on breakfast? Yeah, so I would say that I usually have eggs for breakfast. I usually have eggs for breakfast. Do you understand? So when I say that, it means that almost every day I eat eggs on my breakfast, right? At my breakfast. So what do you usually have for breakfast? Answer me. What do you usually have for breakfast? What is it? Some fruit? What do you have for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast? It's the same thing, right? It's similar. So you would say, teacher, I usually have pineapple for breakfast. Yes? And this is an answer. Or, teacher, I usually have coffee for breakfast. This is another possible answer. And if I'm talking about other person, so Maria always have coconut for breakfast. Let's say. So how do we talk about Maria? How? We say, oh, she usually have coconut for breakfast. And if it's about João usually have burger for breakfast. And so how do we say that? He usually have burger for breakfast, right? So it means that it's common that almost every day he eats burger, right? When I say I usually have eggs for breakfast, I am saying that almost every day I eat eggs for breakfast. And it can be for lunch, whatever it is. You can use that for all the meals, right? So I usually have salad for lunch. Yes, now we're talking about lunch, remember? It's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I usually have salad for lunch, right? That's pretty much what I want you to remember, right? And then this one here, let's say I usually have broccoli for dinner, right? Let's practice. So this one, I usually have for and this one, I usually have for this one, I usually have pumpkin for lunch, pumpkin for breakfast, pumpkin for dinner. I usually have meat for lunch, meat for dinner or for breakfast. Alright, let's practice. Pumpkin and then pear. Remember? This one is I usually have burger for dinner. Yes, practicing. It's very important that you practice, okay? Don't forget to practice because you need to talk, you need to speak so that your pronounce gets better and better. You need to speak and practice always. Right, so now on the bridge, we're going to do this activity. It's a pair activity. You have to do it in pairs. So you have to find someone, maybe mom, dad, sister, brother, someone. Yes, call someone. And then we're going to page 11 here, the bridge, right? And what we need to do is we'll have a student A and student B, right? A and B. So you're gonna be student A and someone will be student B. And what we need to do here is to answer questions, just that. It's sort of simple because you just have to write here yes or no. So let me explain. Let's read together. Student A, what do Anna and Tony like? What they like? Ask a friend and fill the grid below. We're going to fill this grid. And then what we need to do is, you know, look and read. Write yes or no. That's what we need to do. So first one, Anna likes rice and beans. Do you remember rice and beans? This is rice and beans, first one. So Anna likes rice and beans. And so student B answers yes or no. No, Anna doesn't like. So no, the answer is no, because we need to look here. Anna put a cross here, so it's no for rice and bean. And then let's continue. Student A, let's see here. Second question. Tony likes rice. Oh, no, like lemonade. Tony, oh, that's it. Tony likes rice and beans. And so, let's see. On student A. Yes, Tony likes rice and beans. It's important that student A is with this page here and student B is with this page here because you're going to ask to each other. Number 3, Anna and Tony like lemonade. Anna and Tony like lemonade. So you see here lemonade and you see that Tony likes lemonade. Yes, Tony likes. And in student B, Anna likes lemonade. So Anna and Tony like lemonade. So the answer is, for third is yes, just a yes. And then number 4, Anna and Tony don't like watermelon. What is it? Watermelon. This is the last one here, watermelon. So they don't like it. Tony don't like. And the other page, Anna don't like. So the answer is yes, they don't like. The answer is yes, they don't like. Now I'll just read the other questions for you, but you have to do this questionnaire, right? This survey to one another. Now number 5, Anna doesn't like potatoes and peas. What is it? Potatoes and peas? Do you know potatoes? And this one is peas. Yes, these little green balls, they are peas. And number 6, Tony likes fish and chips. You know what it is, right? Fish and chips. And then number 7, Anna likes sandwiches. And number 8, Tony likes grapes. Then number 9, Tony likes milk. I want you to notice that they are not questions. They are just sentences here. And Anna likes lemonade. But you have to say yes or no, yes or no, yes or no. Right? That's what you need to do. And of course, you need to practice. When you ask your friend, you need to practice all the things I'm saying. So let's pronounce all these words here because you need to practice your pronunciation, right? Very good. And that's it for today. Let's focus. It's a quick task for you. Good luck and see you later. Bye.